Hey my viewers, I'm back again in today's video. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my analysis for the coming week. So I'm very excited and I'm so happy for the coming week. However, uh, as you know, gold and JPY pairs are what I look up to the most when I'm analyzing. So I have some nuggets here to drop you all. So stay tuned and hope you get the value that I intended from this video. So let's get it. Guys, here's the chart work. And here I'm going to first show you USD JPY. I've been waiting for this trade for a very long time for the market to tap into that zone. This was the zone I was telling you people of 0.78 fifth level. Then put my stop loss few pips above this level, then just target here. So it's really good. It's a good strategy. It's a good way to trade, and it is very simple. And let me show you the breakdown. Let me show you. As you can see, you just draw your levels, because I was finding it very hard to like manage my trade zone. Pro farms is a lot, and I was trading gold, and you know how gold was very volatile, and man, a lot of things. So I've come to the conclusion of saying, like, I just want to like trade in a very simple way. Just target, just put my limit orders and target my TP and put my stop loss above where it needs to be, then just letting the market play out. This is my conclusion, because the pro farm games, man, are a little bit tricky, and for somebody who trades price action like me, a lot of things can happen, and there are things you can get away with when you're trading your account, or when you're trading your live account. But with pro farms, you can't get away with some mistakes which can cost you. And the rules you trade with are like sometimes not going to favor you in most of the times. So I just want to like make everything very simple, know where to put my stop loss and TP, and where to enter, then just trade with limit orders and until I get my payout. That was my conclusion, because I've seen how easy it is to like trade this strategy and get payouts. So I don't want any complicated thing. So let's just dive into my gold thing. You know me, I love gold, and gold is my favorite. So here I was really amazed to look at this thing. The whole of this week, gold has been just not doing things that I want. It was just crazy. So I'm taking you to like now hourly time frame. As you can all see on the hourly time frame, we see the market tried coming to this level and closed with this candle. It closed showing that buyers are in control. However, the candle was showing 50-50, as you can see, 50-50. It closed in the middle, like no progress. Same to the following day. Then the last day here, sellers were in control. Sellers were in control. This was last week. So this week that has just ended, the market closed with this indecision candle, very tiny, and it's showing that the market didn't progress. As you all can see, the weekly candles, how they move. But this week was just very unique. Even if you go to this day, Monday 20th April, the market printed even a bigger candle than this. This shows that this week was just not for trading at all. So what I'm here to tell you is that, see what the market did. The market left this week here, and this week is telling us something. This week is telling us that the market tried to like break down, but buyers just, they didn't let this level be broken, and it closed inside. And yeah man, and me personally, I have a bias already. I have a bias already. As you can see, this was the week I was saying it closed with this candlestick here inside this bullish candlestick. But again, the following candlestick of Thursday closed with so much indecision, but at least Friday we ended up with sellers finally being in the market on Friday. But again, I don't expect the market to fall on the very first day, which is Monday morning, to just drop like this. No, I believe the market will just first try to like here and around here, build some more liquidity before we can see a huge drop. We need like more volume here before we can see that short move that is going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy, I'm telling you. It's going to be crazy. So let me go to like 4 hours and show you what the candlesticks are telling us. If once I saw this, I was just very excited because I've seen this for a very long time, and as somebody who knows price action, who understands price action, when I see the market doing something like this, and you see within this level here, the market is just consolidating, but within this level here, what comes to my mind is that the market is just going to fall off. The market is just going to sell. The market is just going to do something like that. The market is going to sell. But also with the same idea of what I was saying, when you see the market consolidating below this zone, like this consolidation that happened inside here, if it happens beneath this last low, just know the market is really trying, is telling you that we are going to break inside, like we are going to break to the upper side. So that's a little bit crazy to think like that, because that's like you literally understanding what the market is telling you. And it's very good and very simple to like make a right decision when you understand this simple concept. When the consolidation is happening within this level here, what I'll be expecting is to be in sell trades. I don't know if that is making sense, but it's a powerful thing. I will be looking for sells. The market, even if I see it first going up a little bit like this, I will let the market play out. But I will not be part of that. I want to be part of this follow. Yes, the market can do this, then comes back, then goes back a little bit like this. But again, I want to like be positioned well and enter when I'm supposed to enter at the right time. Another secret to being a pro trader, or what separates somebody who is a pro, is the ability to know or wait on their hands, to know when to sit on their hands and when to like participate. So it will be the market to now show you what is going to happen next. But I believe the most moves of sales are going to happen on Wednesday, Thursday, or Tuesday even. But Monday is just going to be, is maybe going to buy a little bit, to like add in more people to join the wagon, and we sell off. It's amazing. It's amazing. So I've just broken the market down for you all. The JPYs, they most of the times they move in the same direction. So just know I'm just monitoring these two, USD JPY, which is a short with my deep pullback strategy, and my price action. Price action is what I love, but I kind of know both, but I just have to build more faith or more belief in the deep pullback strategy to help me pass my performance. And it's very simple, and I know man things are just happening according to plan. But just know this move, this sell-off here needs a bigger correction to follow it, so that we can see a move closer to these levels here, these levels here. So we need a little bit more correction before we really see the market fall, because it has fallen a lot here. So we need more buyers to be part of the move. And man, this is really amazing for me. I'm really now trying to like build back my audience. I don't know what happened, but my channel, man, the channel that I used to have teaching you all, I just got rid of it. I don't know, but man, I'm just going to build everything from scratch, teaching you all the nuggets that you people deserve, and showing you some of the things that you need. And I believe trading is a journey, and whoever who is like going to watch this and finds it interesting and wants to connect with me, I'm going to be serious on my Telegram channel and just being active on all my socials. So if you want to connect with me, comment down below. I can add you to my Telegram group, and let's do more action. Let's talk more action. Peace.